favorite color. Okay?
Wow!
Okay. I'll start.
You say my favorite color
I'm
is
Teacher
pink.
Faye, and my favorite color is, I think, purple. We'll go with purple. You next? Okay, tell them your name. Noah. Noah, what's your favorite color?
Red.
Red. What's his name? Noah. Okay, what's your name?
Tatay Sulaiman Sano.
Wow! Natalia. Haba nun na. Natalia, what's your favorite color?
White.
Wow! What's her name? Natalia. Yay! Hi, what's your name?
Gia.
Gia, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
I'm teacher Genesis. Favorite color purple.
Yay!
What's you? How about you? What's your name?
My name. My favorite color is blue.
What's your name? Hi. Okay, what's your favorite color? What's your name?
My name is Jacob, and my favorite color is orange.
What's his name again?
Jacob.
Her, what's her name? Oh, we remember it. Hi, can you tell us your name?
My name is Arch Adam, and my favorite color is red.
Wow!
Ano yung first niya? First,
Adam.
ano yung una? Arch?
Arch Adam.
Arch?
What's your name?
Daniela.
Oh,
Wow.
what's your favorite color? How about you? What's your name? Oh, wow. Jasmine J. Angel. What's your favorite color, Jasmine Angel?
Pink.
Wow!
Very nice. What's her name?
Daniela!
How about her?
J.A.
She said Jasmine Angel. Hindi kayo nakikinig. Jasmine Angel J.
Si ano naman ang tatawagin sa tunay na pangalan na
What's
si
your
J.A.
name?
Jasmine Angel ba talaga? Angela?
Naku, nakalimutan na. What's your name?
Jeremiah Joe.
What's your name?
Siguro
Hindi ko alam kung yung mahaba yung maikli. Yung maikli na lang. JJ.
J2.
What's your name?
Go, Jay!
Does anyone want to remind him what's his name?
Your name is...
JJ! Do you want to be called JJ or Jeremiah or Josh? Which one? What's your favorite color, JJ?
Roblox naman.
Green!
Wow!
What's his
Kulay na
name?
Roblox na.
JJ!
Oh, what's your name? Roblox na rin. Roblox na rin. Tita.
Hindi, JJ yan eh.
What's your name?
Zia.
Zia, what's your favorite color? Blue. Nice.
My name is Daphne. My favorite color is
White? What's other favorite color was white? Oh! Ba't nawawala yung mga nauna? What's her name?
Nasa si Natalia.
What's her name? Daphne. It's your turn. Tell us your name.
and my favorite color is purple.
Purple! What's your name? And what's your favorite color?
Blue and pink and
Oh,
Oh, wow!
Teacher
picture.
What's her name? Darlene. And her? Celia. Did we go around yet? No, not yet po. Loco, what's your name? It's snack time already? How about ours? Where's our snack?
No more.
Your turn, ate. What's your name? Ate Francella? What's Ate Francella's favorite color? What's Ate's favorite color? Pink. Pink. What's your name? Francella. How about you? What's your name? Kaylani. What's your favorite color? Purple. Yay! What's your
Ayun pa, ayun pa.
What's your name? Naku, nakalimutan niya din.
Ayun na.
Okay. is
Ay,
there
sila Iris pa.
something-
Si Iris, si Iris.
I'm so sorry. Tell us your name.
My name's Jillian, and then I like light.
Ooh, light purple. Not the dark one. How about lavender?
Lavender.
Who likes violet? Violet, di ba? Lavender. Okay, now we're gonna do... Ano, did you see the dog?
Not yet.
Who was the first one?
Ayaw, si JC pa pala. Si Iris na
Oh,
wala.
you have a dog?
Hindi.
Okay, tell us your
Daisy
name.
pa.
My name is Jaycee, and my favorite color is pink.
Pink?
Yay.
Oh, wow. Pink pa.
Pati si Puchi lang. Asan na?
Parang di nanganap. Okay, let's all have tea. Or, how do you want them? Journaling? Paano mo po sila